And it is National Pasta Month, so let's go ahead and broaden our horizons with Cavatelli. The small pasta shells are sometimes described as looking like mini hot dog buns, and they're really good for holding a chunky sauce.
And Farina executive chef and owner Michael Smith is here to show us how to make his handmade recipe. You were getting pretty busy with the knife over there, chef, here just a few seconds ago.
What are we
chopping up here? Some
basil, a little bit of oregano. The recipe calls for marjoram. But my marjoram's not here this morning.
Doggone it.
Oregano.
Oregano it will be.
Peppers, broccolini, and then this is our...
Yeah, let's talk about the Cavatelli. What is this pasta? What sets it aside from from other pasta?
So it's typically eggless, usually so it's semolina, flour, and water.
Okay.
And so it typically came from the southern part of Italy where they were very poor, and so they didn't have eggs as readily available to put in pasta. They would eat it for breakfast, but not waste them to put them in pasta.
Oh, okay.
So flour and water, and then roll them out. And so what they always try to do is create, now you'll see Cavatelli that doesn't have ridges, but you'll also see Cavatelli with ridges. And so what the ridges do is they catch sauce.
Oh.
So that little indentation, the hot dog bun thing.
Yeah.
And then the ridges.
Well, what's this little tool called then that you use to make the ridges?
They're called a little pasta tool.
The ridge tool. The ridge pasta tool.
That's exactly right.
There it is.
But, so then you boil up your pasta. It's going to be very toothsome. It's a very different sort of mouthfeel than, say, spaghetti or linguine.
Texture. Okay.
Very toothsome. And so it's a hearty pasta for days like today.
Yeah.
A lot of times we'll put sausage in here also. In the restaurant we put sausage, but peppers, if you want to do vegetarian, you got peppers,
roasted red peppers there?
Yep.
Okay.
We're putting almonds in it, feta cheese, little chili flake. You make it as hot as you want.
Yeah.
If you want it spicy because it's
Give a little kick.
Yep.
And some olive oil
Good
on top.
olive oil always. So our finished dish over here, but really it's
super simple to bring together.
It's about, we have, 10 or so handmade pastas every day on the menu at Farina, and this is one of them.
If people want to try the Cavatelli, is it hard to make at home? I mean, it looks like you've just done a single roll. You cut that up, then you use your tool to kind of put it together.
You're literally, you make this dough into we call this a patan, and it needs to rest a little bit. You roll it, you cut them, roll this thing out into a little...
Okay. It's just like working with Play-Doh, kind of like
it is
kids,
exactly right? Play-Doh. And then once you have this guy...
let me try here to do one here real quick. So
keep rolling.
How, just work inside out? Or?
And you just kind of, you can feel it, how with some parts are getting thinner, and you just kind of move your hands, and it'll stretch out. Sometimes we'll have them 8 feet long in the restaurant on these tables.
Jump rope with it when you're done?
Well, sometimes the guys in the kitchen, they think that, they're like,
hey,
look
out of control.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
and then once you have these little tubes made, then you just roll them on this guy.
Okay. Well, here, can I
smash one of those on?
Let's cut right there. That's not working, but we'll try. Yeah, I'm really trying to up my kitchen cred here, chef. So
it's gonna be good.
Just kind of slide that down like that.
Perfecto. Look at that.
Look at that.
You're coming. So you start today at 4.
Hold on. Here it is. I'll try one more time. Let's see.
Smash it with your. Do it with the edge of your thumb and roll it off. Smash it. Roll it off. Dang.
Bam. No, I don't know if that works.
You got it.
My end roll isn't quite where it should be yet. It's still early in the morning. But
so you plate that up.
If they want to try to make this at home, obviously we just showed them how they do that. Can you buy a Cavatelli already made?
Yes.
Okay.
Already
made. For
made.
those like me who obviously need more practice. Now, real quick, before we let you go, you had a very special distinction come to you. I saw the press release come through my email hot off the presses this morning.
Yes.
Are you going to be knighted?
Yes.
How does that work?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Well,
with like a loaf of bread, do they knife you in on either side?
Actually, I think it's an old stick of like a vine, like an old wine vine. That has been, anyway, it's this truffle consigliere in Alba, Italy, where all the white truffles.
Over in Italy, yeah.
So we're going to Italy. We're going to be in Alba next Wednesday.
Wow.
And the ceremony is next Saturday, and they're going to knight me and some others. And I don't really know what's happening beyond that. I have no idea.
But you get the invitation for that, and it's obviously something you can't turn down, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, well, very cool. Well, Michael, we appreciate you being here today, introducing me and our audience into Cavatelli. And I tried to make it with the pasta tool.
Thank you for having me.
Belinda, over to you.